Hey everyone, today I am doing a review over this Heatless curling rod headband right here. This thing is amazing. I've had a chance to use it one time and I cannot wait to show you how to use it, but it's by the brand Baby Sheep. This was provided to me for an honest review. And like I said, I've used it once. I absolutely love it. The first time I used it, I slept in it overnight and it is very velvety soft. You do not feel it in your head whatsoever. It's comfortable to sleep in. Today I'm actually just gonna put it in and I'm gonna decorate for Christmas, gonna do some things around the house, and I'm gonna leave it in for about 3 to 6 hours before I remove it. So you can do it both ways. It also comes with 4 of these clear clips. So I'm gonna show you how to use these. You also get 2 ponytail holders, and then you get this cute travel case, like this velvety travel case right here, so you can travel with it. Another thing I absolutely love about this is if you have really long hair like mine, it is going to cut your styling time probably more than half. It only takes me maybe 5 to 10 minutes to do this. So it's great for short or long hair, but if your hair is long, it's gonna save you so much time. So let's go ahead and get started. The first thing you will want to do is separate your hair into 2 sections and then use a spray bottle to lightly dampen your hair. Having your hair damp will give you better results. Next, put the rope over your head and make sure it's centered, and then use the 4 clips provided to secure it in place. Next, take a 1 to 2 inch section of your hair and wrap it completely around the headband away from your face. A tight wrap will give you tight curls and a looser wrap will give you looser curls. Continue to wrap your hair, adding a new section each time you wrap. Repeat until there is no hair left. You will then use the provided hair ties to secure it in place at the bottom. Repeat this process on the other side until all of your hair is wrapped around the headband. It literally just takes minutes. Lastly, crisscross the 2 ends in the back of your head and then tie them in a knot in the front of the clips. Now that it's secure, you can remove the clips. You will want to wear this for about 3 to 6 hours, but you'll get even better results wearing it overnight. Now it's time to take it out. I've been wearing mine for about 3 hours, so we'll see how it turns out. Last time I did this, I wore it overnight, so I had very tight curls. So I'm excited to see if wearing it for a shorter time gives the same results. I love that this provides a 100% no heat and no damage way to curl your hair. Okay, I'm actually shocked by how tight the curl is after only wearing this for 3 hours. Let's go ahead and comb through this and see how it looks. I'm loving this so much. It's the perfect wave, and it also gave me so much volume too, so I love that. Even the back of it looks really good. I absolutely love this product, and I highly recommend it if you're looking for a quick, easy, and damage-free way to curl your hair.